Hi, today I will talk about two OLED TV in this video, so keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. Dimensions 1449 into 830 into 46.9 mm and 1713 into 984 into 38 mm. Weight 32.6 kg and 32.3 kg. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 200 mm and 300 into 300 mm. Maximum operating temperature 40 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Tuners attached 1.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe and attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Special features: OLED Evo, OLED EX, brightness booster, 55 to 83 inch, game optimizer dashboard, and PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhanced. Next, display. Display technology, OLED. Panel type, WOLED. Display size, 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch USA, Europe, and 55, 65, 77 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz and 120 Hz. Video processor Alpha 9 Gen 8 and XR processor. Aspect ratio 16:9. Pixel density 68 ppi and 84 ppi. Response time 0.1 millisecond. Display orientation landscape. Brightness 4000 nits and 2000 nits. Ambient light sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10 hybrid long gamma, Dolby Vision IQ. High gig yes. Auto low latency mode yes. Consumer electronic control yes. Next, connectivity. HDMI standard, HDMI 2.0. Number of HDMI 4. USB ports 2 into USB A. Bluetooth 5.3. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX. Ethernet 1 into RJ45. Next, Smart TV and apps. TV platform, WebOS and Google TV. Version at launch 25 and 12. OS updates yes. AirPlay 2 yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Speakers 60 watt 4.2.2 and 50 watt 2.1 acoustic surface audio plus. HDMI ARC and ERC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Ditas X yes. Ditas Digital Surround yes. Ditas HD yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.